What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now when I come back with another video, hey man, look, before the video even gets started, man, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Alright, cause I got a very special video for y'all coming to y'all today. These are the things that I wish I knew before I even got my dreadlocks. Alright, so it's crazy amount of gems, crazy. Look, man, it's crazy amount of ice gems dropping, and I ain't even wearing no chain. You know what I'm saying? If y'all get what I'm saying. But make sure that like button for me down below. Turn on post notifications. Let's skip this song. We not really rocking with that song. All right, so let's get straight into it. All right, so first off and foremost, man, make sure y'all go click the first link in the description. Go get y'all a satin line beanie, okay? Silk on the inside, you know what I'm saying? Beanie on the outside, acrylic on the outside, you know what I'm saying? But for sure, man. And y'all see, like, this is how it looks in real life. Like, the saturation on this go crazy, you know what I'm saying? It's very bright. It's very bright in colors. So y'all got 5 choices of colors. So make sure y'all go cop. First link in the description. Go to get your satin line beanie. All right, so this was one of the biggest keys. This was one of the biggest keys in the dreadlock journey, because this beanie right here, it allows me to go however long I want without getting a retwist and without getting a haircut. I don't know how. See, look, these are the things that I wish I knew before getting dreadlocks. All right, so I wish I would have came out with this like earlier on, you know what I'm saying? Because it would have saved me so much money on just getting a retwist, getting a haircut. I don't know about you guys, but even from where I'm from, bro, the retwists cost like $80, bro. And I come from a small city, but the retwist costs $80, right? The beanie, one beanie costs $40, and you can keep reutilizing it, like, and it's gonna last you over 2 months. You get what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all notice or not. I rock the beanie every video. That's because I don't get a haircut. That's because I don't get my dreads retwisted. I have at least 4 to 5 months of new growth, and this is not what the beanie did. This is just actually what I did. Y'all can see, like, the beanie actually keep my head pat down. See, that's another thing, bro. When you wear a regular beanie, bro, it pulls your dreadlocks. You know what I'm saying? It pulls your dreadlocks, and it's crazy. But this is what I like. Didn't nobody tell me that these are the things that I wish I knew before getting dreadlocks. Didn't nobody tell me, you know what I'm saying, yo, a retwist, you know what I'm saying? If you want to get a retwist every 2 months, like they say, like the loctician will tell you to do, hey, you need to come back in 2 months or in a month or so. Bro, don't go back in a month. You are thinning out your dreadlocks. You are thinning out your locks. You know what I'm saying? Don't go back in a month. They just want your money they just want their residual income in 2 months. Go back however you feel, however you want your dreads to look. If you want your dreads to look neat and all that types, all right, go back 2 to 3 months, 2 to 4 months. Allow your hair to grow, okay? Don't go back every month. Don't go back every 2 weeks. Don't go back every 3 weeks. Like, allow your locks time to grow, okay? These are the things that I wish I knew before I got dreadlocks, all right? This motherfucker is costly. All right, so having dreads are costly, especially if you want to keep them up to maintenance. All right, so up to maintenance is like I was just telling y'all, every 2 to 4 months I would say is like a good maintenance time. But like me, y'all know throughout my dread journey, bro, y'all know, bro, I've been rocking that bit. I've been rocking it bit 4 to 6 months. Like, I go 4 to 6 months, get my hair retwisted like I get my hair retwisted like 3 times a year, 4 times a year, just because of the simple fact, like, I don't have to get my hair twisted. I don't have to have my dreadlock, my locks in a certain style. You know what I'm saying? I kind of get what people mean when they be like, yo, don't call them dreadlocks and dread. But don't shoot the messenger. You know what I'm saying? I'm calling them locks. You know what I'm saying? But in the title's gonna be dreadlocks, whatever. But that's not here or there. Look. These are the things that I wish somebody would have told me before getting dreadlocks. You know what I'm saying? You have to constantly keep these up to par. Okay? You don't want to walk around with I would say dusty dreads. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can see like the end of my dreads. You feel me? You can see You know what I'm saying? You can see I need like a little detox. You feel me? I need detox. You feel me? And this is just because of the fact I allowed people to retwist my hair every 2 to 3 months and use any type of products they want. You feel me? So what you want to do is if you like the way that person retwists your hair and they don't use a lot of products on your hair, you got to watch how many products they use. If you can squeeze your hair and the products start coming out, they use definitely too much products on your hair, on your locks. So you want to make sure that the parts are clean, right? And I'm getting a retwist within like the next week or two. I'm getting a retwist within the next week. So this one I'm pumping out all these informational videos to y'all so I can explain to y'all right now, right? And then y'all can, after I get my retwist, y'all gonna come back and y'all be like, oh, okay, this is what he was talking about exactly. So you want to make sure that that person has clean parts first off, all right? Second of all, you want to make sure that the pricing is good. Some of these motherfucking prices be going out the roof. Like my girl, she paid $200 just for her starter locks. I mean, that's cool for a starter locks, but like, say if you was paying 200 to like 250 for a retwist, man, that motherfucker better like that motherfucker. That bit better come with a massage. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm paying like 110 for like a retwist. You know what I'm saying? And all you really want, and I'm trying somebody new, but I'm definitely gonna critique her, and I got my hair retwisted so many times, like I know what I'm looking for. All right, so I'm looking for not as much product. First off, second of all, I'm looking for clean parts. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure that the lines are clean. You feel me? Most of the time you do want to make sure that they're centered with your hair. You feel me? But all the time you can't, like all the time the locticians don't be centering them. Someone be, you know what I'm saying? It depends on the loctician. So we're gonna see how this loctician does. Um and they can show you a person that they did so perfectly and then do yours any type of way. So you really want to go to it if you care about the shapes and all that type of stuff of your parts. You want to go to a person on Instagram that's look consistent. You know what I'm saying? And make sure that you book through Style Seats or Seat Styles, whatever, whichever one. All right, make sure you book through that app, okay? That you're not booking through their DM, okay? Because I mean that's easy. That's easy to steal your money that way. These are the things that I wish I knew before getting dreadlocks. Didn't nobody tell me. You know what? I didn't research properly. Okay, so yeah, I do need a detox. So y'all will be seeing that sooner. Y'all will be seeing that sooner than later. Y'all gonna be seeing me lay in the some type of tub full of ACV, apple cider vinegar, and baking soda. And I'm gonna do that about 2 or 3 times. And then I'm probably gonna shampoo my hair. You feel me? The reason I'm doing it now is because I get to do a retwist right after. Okay, so what I don't like doing is washing my locks and then not having a retwist right after, because it looks very messy. Like your locks look very messy like after you get done washing and stuff like that. These are the things that I wish I knew before getting dreadlocks. This is the last one. Properly dry your hair after a wash or after a detox. One or the two. Properly dry your hair. Okay? This is the reason why I'm getting a retwist. Like this is the reason why I'm getting a retwist like right after, because um if you don't properly dry your locks out, it's gonna be mold in your locks. I experienced this in like year one, okay, and I've needed detox since like year one. Well, all right, so I appreciate y'all for coming through. Don't forget, man. First link in the description, man. Make sure I go cop. Make sure I go shop, man. The Up Next satin line beanie. Just because of the simple fact, it's going to save you a lot of money in the future. Trust me. Okay? I'm going to catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.